buckle up, because this case is as dramatic as it gets. We're in Michigan, where the defendant faces multiple first-degree criminal sexual conduct charges involving a child under 13. Right from the start, we see tension exploding. He's disruptive, he's defiant, and he even demands a Republican lawyer. But here's the twist. The case was once dismissed, then refiled the same day, leaving the defendant furious and convinced he's been kidnapped by the system. Was this justifiable legal procedure, or does he actually have a point? Stick around, because what happens next will leave you questioning how far the courts can and should go.
5-7. People of the state of Michigan versus Ibrahim Abiola Altubasan. Defendant is charged in count 1, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, person under 13, defendant 17 years of age or older. Count 2, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, person under 13, defendant 17 years of age or older. Count 3, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, person under 13, defendant 17 years of age or older. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Wilmoth, P82085, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nicole James, appearing on behalf of the defendant. My P number is 58961.
All right, so we have the defendant who's also present via Zoom from the county jail. I have him on mute because I wasn't successful in getting him to shut up this morning. So the record should reflect that he is present.
Yes, Your Honor. I will acknowledge that he is present.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just acknowledging that he is present via Zoom.
Okay. Today is scheduled for a competency hearing. Do we have a report from the forensic center?
Judge, the last report we received was that he was incompetent, and that they believe it could be restored with treatment. But I don't know that we've received anything else unless Ms. Wilmoth has something.
No, that's my recollection as well. He was referred for competency. If the court recalls, he was refusing to put on his clothing for court. So Ms. James and I both joined in a request for competency. I have not received any report as to a status update as to treatment.
I have one dated May 23rd. And it's their opinion that the defendant has been taking medication and reported some improvement. If he continues to remain in treatment and demonstrate improvement, it is their opinion that he could be restored to competency within the statutory time period.
I'm not in receipt of that report, but thank you.
I'm sorry, Judge, I didn't hear what you said.
It's dated May 23rd.
Thank you. And I'm not in receipt of it either. However, I would ask at this time that the court order that he continue in treatment and taking his medication.
Okay. Hey, Deputy.
How you doing, Judge?
Good morning, sir. I'm ordering that the defendant be fingerprinted.
That he do what?
That he gets fingerprinted. If he refuses to be fingerprinted, then I will hold him in contempt of court.
You need to get fingerprinted. You keep refusing. Yes, sir. I'll let my sergeant know, Your Honor.
This case is dismissed. This case is dismissed. I don't need any lawyer. The case is dismissed already. This is the document for it. The case is dismissed. And did not allow me to move out of this YNJ County jail. Why?
As I explained to you before, sir, that's a different case with the same complaining witness.
It's the same name, Damara Andrew.
Judge, may I shed some light on this?
Yes.
I need a report.
Thank you. So this was a case that I inherited from another prosecutor as being trial ready. It was set for trial, and as I was preparing for trial, there was certain items of discovery, including body-worn camera and medical records that had not been received by the previous prosecutor or turned over to defense. I did obtain those items, but unfortunately I didn't obtain them close enough to the date that we were set to start trial. In fact, they were only provided to Mr. Polk the day prior to us commencing trial. certain things in those medical records, I would agree, Mr. Polk would probably want to consult with an expert based on what they stated. The court ended up dismissing that case with the understanding that I was going to be refiling it the same day. So it is in fact the same complainant, same allegations. It was dismissed due to some discovery issues, due to, like I said, trial being so close, Mr. Olatin Bosin being in custody for so long. But I did make it very clear to the court that I would be refiling it that same day, which I did.
Okay, so that's where his confusion is. So he's right. Okay, sir, let me explain it to you. You're right, the case was dismissed, but after it was dismissed, the prosecution brought the case back again. So it's not dismissed anymore.
Oh, I've not stepped out of this one. They canceled it for 7 months. Is it right after they dismissed the case? They did not allow me to go out of the Wale County deal after they dismissed the case for 7 months since October. And if I need a lawyer, if you want to give me any lawyer on any case, I need a Republican lawyer. Republican lawyer. I don't want this lawyer. I need a Republican lawyer.
You need a what lawyer?
Republican lawyer. Republican.
A Republican lawyer.
Yes, I don't. Yes.
What does a Republican lawyer have to do with anything, sir?
This is where the legal drama really heats up. The defendant is clinging to the fact that his case was dismissed, believing that meant he should have walked free. But here's the key legal detail. Dismissals due to discovery issues don't necessarily mean you're off the hook forever. Prosecutors can refile charges, especially in serious felonies like this. That's exactly what happened here. The case was reissued before he could leave custody. His repeated demands for a Republican lawyer show not only confusion, but also desperation. Let me ask you, if you were in his shoes, would you feel this was justice or entrapment by the system? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this point is heavily debated in law.
Yes, it has
How
to
do you know she's not a Republican?
because they kidnapped me. Yeah, this is kidnapping. This is
Kidnapping.
kidnapping. Yes, after they dismissed the case, they did not allow me to step out of this Wale County jail. Is it lawful?
It is lawful, sir. They dismissed the case and they have a right to reissue it.
They have the right to make me to stay here for another 7 months after they dismiss the case.
And I apologize, things are taking so long.
Well, I don't have any case. I don't
I'm
have
sorry?
dismissed.
Yeah, it's dismissed. That's an old dismissal. It's been reissued.
Okay, well, let me ask you a question. Why is
But you know what part of the reason is that you've been in jail so long is your fault.
why
You wouldn't cooperate. You wouldn't put on clothes to come before the court.
why am I here? The day they dismissed the case, why they did not come for the trial? Why they did not come for the trial on these days?
So your attorney wasn't ready for the trial. The attorney that you had before, I don't know if he was a Republican or not.
So
But he wasn't ready because he didn't have all the information that he needed to represent you.
it is not. I don't need this lawyer. I don't need this lawyer. I have the right to.
Why are you mad at her?
No,
Why?
I don't need this lawyer. I don't need this. I have the right to say I don't need this lawyer. Yes, this is my right.
Why?
This lawyer, you pick
What
this
do
lawyer.
you have against Ms. James?
I don't need this lawyer. This case is dismissed. They did not allow me to step out of this
No.
county jail.
No, sir. Case has been reissued.
What I'm telling you is that they dismissed the case and they did not allow me to step out of this building. Why?
No, you're right. They didn't.
You said what?
You're right. They didn't. They dismissed the case and they reissued it before you were released
On the same day.
on the same day.
This is not right. On the day of the day
You
of,
know why you've been in jail so long, though?
I've been here for 3 years.
You know why you've been in so long?
This is
Part of that is because you refused to cooperate. You wouldn't even put on clothes
this
to
is
come to court.
I don't have any mental problem. They are lying. They are liars. I don't have any medical record of being having mental problem. I don't have any mental problem. All the document that you are fabricating is not right. All the document that you have with you is not right. You are fabricating document against me.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to refer the defendant for treatment, and we'll set a review date. Let's review it in 60 days. As opposed to
A medical record is not right. All your false documents, is not right. You are forcing injection on me in Wayne County Jail. You are forcing injection on me. You are giving me drugs. You are giving me pills by force. It's not right.
We'll set a review date for July 31st at 8:30.
Judge, I'll be out of the country.
When do you leave and when do you come back?
I will be gone
I reject this lawyer. I don't need any lawyer.
from the 21st until the 2nd.
You do so that this matter doesn't get prolonged any further. You need to cooperate, okay? I know you say that you're competent, you don't need to see any doctors and all that, so I need you to just go through the motions, show us that you are competent, so we can get this matter set and go forth. What are you doing? Oh, you need to be unmuted, okay. Go ahead and unmute yourself. I can't hear you. Okay, so again, I need you to cooperate with the attorney that you've been afforded. I need you to cooperate with the examining doctors that will be evaluating you so that we can get this thing resolved one way or the other, okay?
I need a Republican lawyer. I said it.
Go hire your Republican lawyer then.
I need a Republican lawyer.
I don't know any Republican lawyers.
I need a Republican lawyer. That is my right.
Well, go ahead and hire a Republican lawyer then, okay?
You must have a Republican lawyer. This is politics. This is politics. And you kidnapping here, kidnappers, you kidnapped me. This is the document. You kidnapped me, they dismiss the case. You don't want to step out. This is the document. Dismiss.
Okay, so you have a good day, all right? Thank you.
I disagree with you in Jesus' name.
You say about Jesus?
I don't need that lawyer. I reject that lawyer. I don't want that lawyer.
All right, we'll go hire you a lawyer then.
A Republican lawyer.
Get your Republican lawyer. Have a good day.
A Republican lawyer.
Republican lawyer.
Thank you. A Republican.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus. Can I go?
That's it.
Okay, thank
All right,
you.
have a nice day. You're all set.
Please subscribe to help the channel.
And there you have it. The judge ultimately orders the defendant back into treatment, stressing that cooperation with doctors and lawyers is the only way this case can move forward. What's striking is how the defendant frames the entire process as a form of kidnapping, insisting his rights are being trampled. Yet from a legal perspective, the judge and prosecution appear to be following procedure, though delays in refiling certainly blur the line between due process and prolonged detention. This case highlights the clash between courtroom procedure and a defendant's perception of fairness. If this breakdown kept you hooked, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who loves courtroom drama, and subscribe for more shocking legal showdowns every week.